Walter. Yeah, so you can present Walter. I know we are three. We have Samuel understanding has been looking. He was not able. No, he was not ready last week, so he has joined us. So next week he will be ready to present his work. I hope it will be like that, Samuel. After listening to what the others will have done. Yes. Okay. So you can present. Continue, Walter. What we are going to do, we will not cover everything because of the time, and we were supposed to be winding up. So tell me the sub-headings. So what you have is mhm, mhm. Read for us. Read for us the objectives of your study. Before you continue, the fourth is supposed to be a solution to what you are looking for. Yeah, it has to be a solution to your problem. So the fourth one is always to give possible solutions. So I don't know how you develop the fourth one to be solution to that problem, possible solution. Continue. Next, and then in your research question, so that you don't read, they are supposed to tally with what is up there. They are related. Okay. Next question. Next subheading. And I can see Mercy. Mercy, your hand is up. What is it? Continue. Continue. Continue to no, read for us what is you've written Stethoscope. Continue. Another subheading. Continue another one. Continue. Continue. Uh-huh. Sampling technique. Now, take us through how you are going. You said you are going to do what and what in simple language. You see, we want the others to learn. Mhm. How will you use each one? How will you use each one of them? Sampling methods. You said you are going to use and what? So you are going to use for the student what? Stratify. Which stratas will you are going to pick, put people from the house. So pick from each group is a part. Then similar use of getting them. No, I'm saying you are picking from every group. You are dividing them into their groups first of all. And then you pick from every group using which method? You see now they are in their groups. How will you get representatives from every group? Yes. So you include like uh-huh. That one you'll not cover everyone in research. You are so simple. I was assisting you on how you are going to get after classifying people in their groups. How will you get equal representation from every group? That is my question. There is simple random sampling, there is systematic random sampling to be used to pick. Continue. Continue. Okay, so there are the normal. Continue, it's questionnaire. Uh-huh. Then next, I start from there. Tell us, what will you do? It is a procedure. Okay. There is no permission from Nagotsi. You don't jump. In masters, it is a process. After getting a letter of introduction from the university, that is, in fact, it's not the university from the department. Your department is which one? Yes, that is the department. And then that introductory letter, you are going to use it to apply for a research permit from Nagotsi. Then when you get the permit, now you will send now this, it is online. So people are supposed to know, they are supposed to be aware that you have permission to collect the information from them. In fact, that's the process for all of us. That is the process. Continue. No, you have jumped. You have jumped from there was data collection, there was a sampling procedure. Higher data analysis. Do you know it is a shortcut? That is what you have done. You are supposed to tell us the procedure for data analysis, qualitative data analysis, and then procedure also for qualitative data analysis. You cannot just use a paragraph and you say you are through. This is masters. Undergraduate, they are doing what you are saying. There was coding, there is what? Those are the process, the procedure up to the end. When you summarize like that, that is undergraduate work. So you improve on that. Continue. What else do you have? Mhm. Let me, before you continue, how do you do reliability and validity after data collection? Where is it supposed to be? After analysis, where is it supposed to be? How can you complete with that one? It is actually supposed to come after the research instruments. Yeah. Okay. So tell us whichever way, because it has come at the end, how you are going to go about it. Which are these items? Okay, continue. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now, have you seen now where they are supposed to be? You are talking about the questionnaire, which means they will come. Yeah, they will come even before data collection. So that after you correct the instruments, you do now data collection. So reliability and validity in the wrong place, but it has got the right information. Continue. Continue with your reliability. You you have jumped. You have jumped. You did not tell us about where you are going to pilot your instruments. Piloting of research instruments so that you can correct the errors and the instruments are supposed to be the right instruments to collect what is supposed to collect from the field before the actual study. So that is why you are doing reliability. Which pilot place? Which one you are going to pilot using which sample? Sample where? Where are they? It is okay. Citation from who said it? Justify your what you are talking about. There is a justification. No, I'm saying who said you have given us some numbers. What that is it. Continue. Continue. Okay. Although you are when you are writing, you don't jump. You don't say anonymity of the of the respondents, and then you don't explain what is it. Anyway, this is master. You're supposed to explain what they are when you're writing. You don't summarize in masters. Research is supposed to be flowing. Okay. What else? You don't have anything else? Mhm. Continue. Continue. Right. Excuse. The fourth one is supposed to be answering the research question number 4. That is why I was asking for a solution in research question number 4. And now you are giving us what is right, and it is not available in the research questions. Are you seeing? Okay. It's okay. So it is Stalin. The only problem, I have a problem with how you are summarizing data. You are summarizing your work until it becomes small. You're supposed to explain. Research is supposed to be talking by itself. Continue. But I think you have reached the end. You have reached the end. You have reached the end. The only thing, I hope your citations, normally in masters for, not for now, in future, you give citations 5 years down the line. So this one is 2025. So you give up to where? 2020. If there is citation below 2020, unless it's very minimal number. So what is it? Next presenter. Waiting for another presenter. We are waiting for another presenter. Next presenter. Today is supposed to be presentation. Even last week, it was supposed, each one of you has to present, and then we correct, all of us. You're waiting for presentations. Next presenter. No one is ready. Okay, done. Done.
Yes, I'm ready.
You are ready.
Yes.
Okay, continue. Continue.
Okay, thank you. I was to present on qualitative and quantitative research methods. Yes.
the takeaway.
Yes.
We are doing the proposal presentation. Each one of you was supposed to, you see, we are supposed to do a presentation for proposal for all of us.
So I'm supposed to present the takeaway.
Proposal.
The one that was supposed to you pick a topic of your own.
Yes.
Fine. Let me present.
You have your proposal ready
Yes.
and done. Your hand is up at the same time.
Sorry.
Okay. You can now present. Each one is supposed to present a research proposal before the end of the semester, which we are supposed to be concluding anyway. And then we are supposed also to send our assignment to the group, not me. Reason so that the others can use it for revision. We want to have two presentations today. No, two more, so that we wind up next week with the presentations of a research proposal. Two more. Dan, you are saying you are ready. Continue.
Okay. I guess someone can pick as I prepare for presentation.
Hello? 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 I'm waiting for the presenter.
My PowerPoint is not working.
Who is supposed to be following? I'm waiting for the next presenter.
Simu yangu imeenda wapi?
Hello? Mercy, your hand is up. Mercy? You are ready? Mercy, you are ready?
I don't know how to put the document on the screen. Hello? I'm trying, but I don't know how to put the document on the screen. So that's the challenge right now.
Organize yourself and then you present. We want to...
Copy simu yangu.
Caroline, you are making noise. Caroline, you are making noise.
Let me put off the microphone.
Mercy, continue. And the others are not there. Where are they?
Hello, madam. Doctor, I don't know how to share the document on the screen. I'm trying everything. I don't know how to do it.
What you are supposed to do, you are supposed to practice before and you come and talk to us. It is part of the course. Now, if you come and you say you don't know, what does that mean? You are in masters. You're not in undergraduate. Those are the things which you are supposed to know before you come. And if you are not ready, then someone else can present. Next time you come and present when you can be able to share your screen with the others. Because sharing is part of learning. It's part of learning. So what you can do, you can look for how to do it. There's nobody someone is supposed to assist you to share the screen. That is learning. And then you continue. Since you cannot be able to share, you want another person. Another person can continue. Everyone is supposed to present. There is no exemption. No one is exempted. Who else is ready? We are Caroline, are you ready? Caroline, are you ready? We are waiting for the next presenter. Mercy is not able to share the screen. You struggle and see if you can be assisted, Mercy, so that you can be able to share. We also want to learn by seeing what you've done. And we correct the work together. Caroline, you are ready?
I am trying to present, but I'm still here to make it due to network which is around here. But I'm trying my best.
Can you share your screen? We want to continue. Share your screen. Because you can be able to communicate, it is not network problem.
Narudi hapa inakataa. Kwa nini inakataa?
Before we continue in class, you are supposed to practice and see that all what you are supposed to present is in order. Because you and Mercy, do you have any other? Because we have many people here. Any other person? What happened to Dan? Dan was supposed to present and he got lost. Dan, are you still presenting? Dan, are you still presenting? Dan. Duncan, are you still presenting? Remember, we have got we have 13 minutes, and even before you sit for your exam, all of you will present. We only have Walter who has presented. I know you are the only one who has presented. These others, they are not. No, if you can be able to communicate, then it is not network problem. Yeah, the fact that someone is in class means it's not network problem. What I know, each one is supposed to present. She's preparing to upload. Oh, Caroline has a problem. Mercy, a problem. Is there anyone else who is ready? Mercy, Caroline, you will present next time. Can we have another person? We still have many people. I know by next week, even Samuel will be ready. We will be ahead of the others. Justin, we have Kithinji. Caroline is Carol. Kithinji, are you ready? Someone has shared the screen. Kithinji, are you the one? Who is Caroline? This one is Caroline. Caroline, are you the one?
Yes, I'm the one.
Finally, you can be able to do.
I'm trying all my best, but
it is part of learning. That is why I'm insisting. You're
Yeah.
supposed to present. We want to see. Aya. Continue.
I'm trying to get. My God.
They are stuck. That is why I told these people the other time to come for the other class.
Yeah.
If you had attended the other class for another unit, no, it's actually research for another program. You would have improved yourself very much. These people, you are supposed to present. Struggle and struggle, you will present.
Yeah.
It is part of the course. We will wait for you. I've got 10 minutes. What is I will do? Instead of waiting, why don't Justin, are you in? I did not let her in. She is not around. Kidinji is around. Dan is around. We have got Mercy is around. Why don't we say by next week? Because as we wait, we are waiting and then we have no answer, no solution. But you are supposed to present. You are going to present next week. You will have learned and familiarize yourself with what the others, with what world has done. Caro, you will familiarize yourself with the machine before
Yes, I
you
will.
present.
Yes.
Mercy, you will do the same. Mercy, failing to open and share is not a mistake. It is part of learning. Is it okay?
Yes.
Mercy, Caroline, practice. Is it okay? We have
Okay.
another one who was supposed to present, but he got lost. Danson. We will have enough time for everyone. Even if we are going to do up to the last minute to the exam, we will do. Because there is no way you will go to the exam. Actually, research proposal is the summary of the exam. It's the summary of the whole research. Instead of going one by one, this is the summary. And then you share the work to the group, not to me. From the group, we are going to learn. If you give me, the others will not receive. Post to the group. And then I'll get from there. And then another alternative. If Walter can put them together, it's okay. And you give me in as a whole. Is it okay, Walter, if you receive and send? If each one gives me, how will they learn? They will not. How will you revise? They will not. Anyway, the class. Because we have got many things in the exam. We have sampling procedures. We have data collection procedures. Those are the things which we are supposed to listen to. But I don't know. We are going to summarize. We are going to do a summary of the main things. Because, Caroline, which one were you doing? Which one was your assignment?
It was about data analysis and proposal.
Data analysis procedure, which
Yes.
has been done. It has been done. That is why I'm insisting with it has been done by Walter.
Yes.
No, through proposal.
Group
That is why I
proposal.
was correcting. Yes, that is why I was correcting the flow of the procedure of data collection, data analysis.
Yes. So, which one should I
I'm
continue
not
with?
saying you are true. I am saying
Yes.
proposal is a summary of what all of you have done.
Yes.
Even the person who did sampling procedure. That is why I was listening and correcting with the Walter. If we add another person presenting the proposal, we would have made a summary also. Samuel, what do you have? Samuel.
Somebody's presenting.
Samuel. Samuel.
Yes, madam.
What are
Yes,
you
Daktari.
sharing? What are you
Okay.
sharing?
Is the work that I had started,
Yeah.
but I was planning to polish it.
Oh, you
Yeah.
joined today and you had your work ready.
No, I was oriented by Mercy, so she
I
gave
wish you
me
would
a.
have shared Mercy's work. She would have done it, but now it is already 9. And then, can we listen to what he has?
Mine is a sketch, but maybe you'll have to give me another opportunity to maybe
So,
do
next
the.
week, Samuel, next week, there is no
Yeah.
Mercy. You will go and look for someone who is conversant to teach you part of learning, and you come and present. Caro, the same. And then Samuel has said he will be ready next week.
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
So we call it a day, although we did nothing. You people, the people are too busy. Good night. Good night.
Good night.